Do you know 8 out of 10 people have lost significant money in the Indian stock market by starting their journey in short-term trading? Later, they realized that long-term investing has given much better returns and mental peace. Do you know what successful investors do? They do proper research and understand the company's business model, financials, liquidity, and invest in only strong fundamental stocks. End result? Those stocks have become true multi-baggers and have increased their wealth significantly. Many trading folks have agreed that though the technical analysis has been helpful, they regret selling many stocks in a short period of time as they did not research much about the company's future business potential. Now, what if I say that I will guide and train you the yLogic approach to become a successful investor in just 6 hours, and that too at just Rs. 299. My name is Arun and I have clocked more than 300% returns with my portfolio, and I have trained more than 500 plus people with varied backgrounds such as investors, investment bankers, founders, working professionals who have made wonders in the stock market using this yLogic approach. Now, do you want to be a random investor or a successful investor? If you want to be a successful investor, then it's time for you to attend the yLogic Stock Investment Workshop. Go ahead and sign up now. If you register today, you will get 3 bonuses worth Rs. 35,000 for free. Don't miss this opportunity. See you inside the workshop.